got another very quick tip for you. Thought I'd make this because I've just realised I'd made a bit of a mistake whilst taking off this rather flash house. So what I've done here is I'm actually measuring the plinth as an extra over here. So I'm doing it on plan. But what I've done is on this particular plan, if I can get to it, this section here, I've inadvertently gone straight through the door, and there's a door here. So how I would get out of that, rather than unpicking everything I've done, because it would have to go all the way back to where I started, which is over there, and I'd have to redo it. What I can do, I can go in, I can grab hold of my cursor, and I can right click, and I can add a control point at the reveal. I do the same on the other side, add a control point. Now I've got my two control points. If I right click that plinth tool and I say split all, it will break all of those control points down into separate lines. And all I need to then do is select the one I want to get rid of and just click delete. And rather than undo the whole thing, it's just taken out the bit that I need. I hope that helps somebody.